It's about time to pick up all the garlic we have planted. There's some over there, some all the way over there. Usually you want to pick garlic when the first 3 leaves has dried off and you still have some green on top. And you don't want to just jank it, you want to get out and try and pull the garlic with the whole roots. That way it preserves more of its garlic flavor. You can just use a little shovel or something. You want to be gentle, so I'm going to pry with a little shovel. Loosen up the soil. Clean up some of the dirt. And there you go. Just gonna take off the outer layer of the bulb, and that should be enough to put them to dry. It's kind of hard to hold it, but basically you can peel off the couple of the layers of the garlic. Clean up some of the dirt. And there you have it, nice and clean. Okay, so we started cleaning and separating them, small ones that are going to be used for cooking, some medium ones that we're also going to cook and do other stuff with the paste, garlic confit, stuff like that. Maybe use it with olive oil. And large ones, these are, we're going to plant, use them for next season. Usually you want your biggest heads planted, that way you get the biggest yields. And I'm running out of time, so I'm not gonna be able to do this today, but this is the remaining garlic that we have. Oof, who knows, it's probably about, I don't know, 200 heads, so not a bad deal. Also there's some that I kind of slice with the shovel, so be careful when you're doing that. I'm in Rockaway, New Jersey, Zone 7A. I grow everything in garden beds, and all I can say to you is just start however you can and just get it done. You'll be surprised at how much you can grow. Take care. Some of them are hanging, the clean ones are already in the shelf. Some elephant garlic also. They're all pretty good sizes for the most part. A bunch of small ones too. They're mostly music, German white, and some other ones that I just... all in all, I counted 220, which is 70 more than last year, so I'm pretty happy about that.